Hi, it's Jonathan from Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can hide other shipping methods. So you only show free shipping, or you only show free shipping and local pickup. I'll show you two different ways that you can do this, so that, for example, you could hide this flat rate and you only show free shipping, or you only show free shipping and local pickup. Please follow along. So the first thing you want to do is head into WordPress. Make sure you got WooCommerce installed. Once you've got it installed, you want to hover over WooCommerce and you want to hover over status. I'm just going to open this in a new tab. And we're just going to clear the WooCommerce cache. Click on Tools, click on Clear Transients and choose OK. We're now going to install a plugin which allows us to hide other shipping methods. So we'll hover over plugins and click on add new. And we're going to search for code snippets. And we're going to install this one. Click on install now. And choose activate. We'll then see that it's available on the side here. So we'll just click on snippets. We'll click on add new. We'll make sure we're in this functions PHP section. We're then going to go to this article. There's a link to it in the description. And we're basically going to take the code and just copy and paste it in. And it basically just updates the functions.php file. So we'll give it a name, so we'll just take this here, give it a title, and we're just going to copy and paste this, and paste it in. And all we need to do is choose activate, and it's live on the site. So if we head back over to the website, so currently we've got flat rate shipping. If we refresh the page, we see that only free shipping is enabled. I'll later on in the video show you a way that you can do this with just a plugin, and it's just a ticky box exercise. Please stay around to see that. Next, I'll show you how we can show free shipping and local pickup. So if we head back over to WordPress, and we go on this WooCommerce option, status, and we're just going to clear the cache again. So click on Tools, Clear Transients, choose OK. Then, if we head back to Snippets, click on Snippets, we'll go down to the bottom, and we'll just disable the free shipping option that we created before, and then we'll click on Add New. Then we'll head over to this article. Again, there's a link to this in the description. And we'll go down to how do I only show local pickup and free shipping. We'll take the title of it. And we'll just paste it in here. And then we'll take a copy of this code. Take a copy of this. And we'll paste it in here. And we'll choose activate. Then when we head over to here, we should see that once we refresh the page, we'll show only free shipping and local pickup. So you can see how those two have appeared, and it doesn't show flat rate shipping. What we'll do now, we'll head back in, and I'll show you a different way using a plugin that you can basically hide other shipping methods. So if we head back into WordPress, and we'll just go to this snippet section, and we'll just disable this one. And then what we'll do, we'll go back to here, and we'll clear the transients, on Tools, just clear the cache. And what we're going to do, we're going to go down to plugins, and we're going to try the other way hiding other shipping methods. So we're going to search for WC hide shipping methods. And once you've found it, we're going to install and activate this one here. So I'll click on activate. And now that that's active, we're going to go into WooCommerce and we're going to go to settings. We're going to click on shipping. And then we're going to go to shipping options. And what this plugin does is it allows other options here. So as it says there, hide all other shipping option methods and only show free shipping. And then if we click save changes and we head over to the start, we'll see that we would have had flat rate enabled and local pickup. But if we refresh the page, only free shipping is available. To use the same plugin and see free shipping and local pickup, we'll basically head to this page again and just tick this option, click save changes, and then head back over, and we should see free shipping and local pickup enabled. Obviously you can see that the second option, the plugin, it's a lot easier to do for this example, but where I actually prefer code snippets is that you can use it for loads and loads of different options where you can put custom code into the website and use it for all sorts of different purposes, but they're both very good in their own ways. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Please subscribe for future videos, and please check the links in the description for the cheapest place to buy domain names and the best host in my opinion. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.